And you know, this is a special moment. It's not an ordinary moment. It's a moment long overdue. A long been coming for a long time and it's arrived. So we take time to just clear the ear. We just have a little moment of silence before we start digging up the carcass. Because a whole heap of things to go on, right? So people, if you haven't joined us before, welcome to the show. Welcome to the UpNLive show. We do this each and every Tuesday right here on TGM Radio. If you haven't seen any of our shows before, you can log on to our YouTube channel. It's called UpNLive Show. Search for any videos. We have loads of different acts each and every week right here, 10 p.m. on TGM Radio. Remember, the show is sponsored by Shush Prince, Vast Prince, and it's produced by World Mag Entertainment. Right? On behalf of myself, DJ Rick, Dragon All-Star, Fire Q, the Little Brown, no, correction, the Little Brown Rasta. She emphasized on the patois style. Right here, we have a special guest this evening. Bombshell, Turbulance, and company. I need to know the gentleman's name as well. Good evening, welcome to the show, sir. How are you doing this evening? Good. What's the name?
Of Coco Ash.
Coco Ash.
Yeah, man.
You an artist?
Yeah, man.
Okay, welcome to the show. And the man himself, I almost said TG study, because you know what TG study and everything. Bombshell Turbulance is here, people.
Powerful.
So what's going on here? What's good? What's good?
You know, but I'm a general, John No Star, a real thing, you know.
Yeah.
First, before you even start,
yeah.
But that's what I say. I give me respect to you, you know. Definitely in a youth car. See how the thing and the whole thing take off like a aeroplane.
We don't take off here. We just barely cruising now. We're trying
to reach places. Rick.
We're trying to reach some places.
Just take the compliments right now. You have to just take the compliments. Somebody give you compliments about the good work you're putting in and the good job you're doing.
And not me alone and the team. You have to say the team, yeah.
So big up the whole UpNLive team then, right? Should I say that?
Yes.
Big up the whole UpNLive team.
Yeah, I give thanks for you forwarding, because you know you are one of the real generals and the whole stalwarts into the UK dancer scene. As contrary to where others may think, the whole team look on you as a moog or a person who done a lot for the dancer scene. But I want to hear your side of the story as much as I reflect what people may say, but definitely in our eyes we see you as a treasure to the dancehall scene.
Definitely. Yeah.
So in fairness, let's start it this way. Just give us a little rundown about Bombshell Turbulance and how you started in this music business.
Well, you know, boys them say talent na sell a shop on it na buy over counter. Yeah. So alright, but we started yes or no.
Talk more to the microphone so we can hear, bro.
I was in Kingston JA.
Yep.
We used to love music.
Yeah.
One day one of my friends see me, stand up by my yard gate and him go so boom sir and say, you come like you love music. Cause every evening I coming from school, we used to like put the radio up on the wall and I sing and I play. Be a kind of pop music.
Yeah.
Them time they didn't reach a foreign yet, but we just play the whole of the pop music, them and the whole of them thing there, yeah? Mm. Anyway, one of my brethren see me one day and them give me some records.
Yeah.
That is albums. Like, you know, enough people don't know, enough DJs don't know albums. No, it consists of about 12 or 13 songs on an album. LP, yeah? So, him give me Manhattans, him give me the Shy Lights, him give me Epics, him give me Atlantic Stars. Yeah, him give me the whole of them album the way you can't think of. I'm go home and study them. And then I start love them kind of music, so I start sing them.
Yeah.
So one day, you know, one of my friends called me and said, yo, forward a country, I'm going to country and play upon a sound, because his sister love music, and you know me, I did it?
Yeah.
Them time that it was like the belt drive turntable. I would play upon the belt drive turntable, mash up the place. Then techniques come in.
Yeah.
Then when the techniques come in, one of my friends looked on one day and said to me, said, you know, you know, say, I see you always play music, and my sister, you love the music. And then said to me, say, yo, you know, say, I have a friend who have a big sound over Portmore, and the sound name Commander Force. But here what now, the sound have a selector named Super Les but the selector now move the sound. So he need somebody for move the sound.
Yeah.
So me say, alright then, just forward and carry me over there. In the morning, I wake up about all dog in the yard, you know, some wake up about 5:30. The brother said, for link him 6 o'clock, some wake 5:30.
Yeah.
And go link him 5:30, I link him. I say, John, no start, I forget, and him carry me got the airport. And him carry me got the forward to the airport. I go to boom, and the boss see me, and the boss look at me and say, I can't play music. And I look at him and say, yo, just string up your sound, man. And they say, I can't play it. Then him call the maintenance and put him phone over Portmore, Waterford, the bus terminus. And said to them, say, yo, string up the sound, we have a new selector. It was a Friday night. I'm going to go over there. I'm going to say to the selector, say, selector, play all the hot songs them where you have on the sound. All the big dub plate them where you have. And the selector look at me and say, why you say that? And I said to him, just play them, man. You see me? And when him play them for about 2 hours, I said to him, say, alright, my time now for play. I'm going to go around the sound.
Yeah.
And from that day, I play that sound and that corner. You see the same place which part Sean Storm come from, right at the Waterford at the bus terminus.
Yeah.
Right there, so Commander Force, we string up this every Friday. We have a party each and every Friday, right there, so until we buck up on a lady named Juni Star. I don't know if you know about that name still. That she Juni Star, she and the Marleys them are family.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're like cousins, close cousins, yeah. So she start run amongst us because she like how we play music. Just like how that's a DJ Rick and say DJ Rick, you're about selector.
Yeah.
You see me? So boom, we start go around, go at every beach party and everything. We look on the boss with the sound and say, you see that lady here? She have a whole heap of links. You understand me? I did it? So them time now I start play Commander Force officially because the boss now come down and August down to me for live now.
Yeah.
And said to my mother, say, yo, mommy, you know, say, your son gonna come live with you over Portmore. And me I say, over Portmore, the man say, him don't even need no clothes. Him just a forward right now. And the man put me in him car me go to Portmore. And carry me go in baby mother yard. And said to him baby mother, say, listen to me, you see that youth here? Him forget everything. The only thing him not forget.
It's that thing there.
And I say, oh, what is now, God? The man said, you have maintenance for the sound. Because you know when you're in Jamaica, sound system thing is different from over here in England. You understand me? You have, like, you have DJs, but you have sound system in Jamaica where you have maintenance and everything. The man lift box.
Yeah.
I feel them job that. So, the maintenance job, if you string up the sound, boom, bang, bang.
Yeah.
And then me practice every day.
Yeah.
Yeah, so till the lady one day, she just link you up and say, yo, she go up on a tour. And she want to take care of one of the selector them on the sound on a tour. You understand me? I did it?
Yeah.
So, them have to make a choose. So, remember, you know, we in a sound system at Jamaica now, you know. Yeah. So, I go so, oops. When we're going to the meeting now, you have 15 maintenance for the sound.
15. I saw it sound big.
Yeah. Commander Force it name. Super T, them time you have Commander Force, you have Super T, Portmore, Waterford. So we are talking about, we cover Garvermead, Port Baroque, South Baroque, Cumberland, Nagozet, Brayton, Independent City. You understand me? We cover the whole of them place there.
Yeah.
When Portmore Entertainment Center just built up a Commander Force at the first town, play out there. When the rain a fall and the whole thing with Terror Fabulous before them do the little science thing for them and the whole them thing there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, mad man them's up there. But before it was Terror Fabulous and the whole them thing there. Anyway, cut a long story short, because we're not going to talk about the whole of that.
Oh, we can't talk, man. A Bombshell attack, you know.
Yeah, so I go some hoops. I want to go so now, them say them decide to them I keep a meeting. But them time they and me all run the sound. Because me a clash with Black Cat, me a clash with Stone Love, me a clash with all of the sound them.
Yeah.
The whole of the big sound them. Every big sound. You understand? So the lady now, Juni Star, decide she going to put on a tour. So she's going to carry Sanchez, it was Flower Gun, Red Dragon, no, not Flower Gun, Red Dragon, General Trees, and the next artist named Princess Esther England. So she love me now because she said me her son because she see the vibes.
Yeah.
She see the realness. You get me a dealing.
Yeah.
So she said, youth, you have to reach far. So she said, youth, me I got carry up on a tour. But we have got a meeting. go make the decision. So when I go to the meeting now, me in Liverpool when I come from Augustown.
Yeah.
But every time the boss like give me money, I go over Portmore, go look after the whole of the youth them.
Yeah.
So me think the whole of the maintenance youth them are my friend them still, really and truly.
Yeah.
That I could have said at that time. You see me? So when I go to no ropes and then they know and the meet they come and them say, I one selector alone can go foreign, you know. And them vote. When them call my name, I one person alone vote for me. And when them call the next selector name, the whole meeting vote for him.
So that means
yeah, but
my corner dark, you know.
My corner dark. But look on the realness night now. Me was the selector from a giant sound.
You remove the sound.
Move the sound. Put it go everywhere, make it play everything and them I get the whole of the bookings and the whole thing.
Yeah.
So the boss said, no, this no look right. Look like a bias and a bias. True, the man that come from Portmore and them come from Augustown. Coming over Vibes Cartel when them sit down on big store, you know. Alright, now the book, you know. We'll go to someone next show. Hold on now.
Yeah.
Listen, third world, fourth world, I'm a place them man. So I go to Boops and the man said, listen to me, the whole of no bias. Me I spend my money and the only selector go foreign is Bombshell Turbulance. And everybody get up and walk out of the meeting. So we go play with Black Cat the Friday, a Punsi and a land in a sense, and we're going to play with Black Cat. Punsi and a land, yeah? Yeah, come we go play with Black Cat, but Panther never did it. It was Yunsi did I play the sound. It wasn't Panther, yeah? So we go play them, so we are go on a truck. And we reach a half a tree now. I'm not supposed to drive with them because the boss I say, yo, yeah, you me, don't drive with them man, because the man look like them a pre dog. Where you drive with them. But true, you know a Jamaica thing, go on the truck attack and run joke and the whole thing. And you see me, so I go to Boops and say, yo, you know what? Me I go roll upon the truck. Boss man, don't worry yourself, man. You can't drive in a big Jeep and thing. So I on the truck, but the one day I said to myself, say, you know what? Me I go bring my brother with me. Because my brother always asked me to come and dance. But me never bring him yet. Cause you know one of them kind of people, so I never really bring him going. But that one time I just tell myself, say, you know what, John, I'm gonna bring him that time, you know. So we bring him up, I never introduce him to the body. Cause that man like deal up on new friend and them something there. So we on the truck and reach a half a tree, Agley Park Road, with Junior Var, she have a store. Half of it was my CD recording place, cause she give me that, you know. I have a big up Junior Star, my mother, big up yourself, yeah? Yeah. And the other part was our clothes store. Yeah, and she said, so we put the drink them on the truck. So no man no want come off of the truck now if you go get the drink them. So come like a me them with that wait for now if say something. So me dip on the truck and nah say nothing, you know, come here say, yo, don't say nothing you.
Yeah, cause they want to set you up.
Yeah, like look I set them, the boss tell me, you know, but me never listen to the boss. So I go to ropes and yo, me dip on the truck, now. When me dip on the truck, me just say to the leader for the maintenance potential say, yo, assassin, you know say. Are you to tell the man if I move a drink? By the time I say, you know, yo, I want is a ratchet knife. I want to move. Yo, I'm going to go to the boom on side. Jump down off for the truck. Man, you know what go? Get a thing and then my brother take on the whole thing and the lady come out and say, yo, you know I know I kill him. Because now I'm going foreign. But a bad selector. So even if I want to kill him, him still I go foreign. I go carry dead body on the plane. No, serious to God. The woman look for me and tell me, say, listen to me. Even if I want to kill him, I go carry him dead body on the plane and go to England. Same way. Yeah. So now I go stop him from going to England. So we got to dance. Friday night go play a Punsi and a land. Mash up Black Cat that night. The Panther never did it. I never think the town sound will have no dog. Yeah. Yeah, man. Ask them about the dance, man. Ask them, man. 94, man. 95, man.
So I'm serious, man. I just a little idiot dancer.
Idiot sound.
Easy take over.
No, because your style go now. You know, when you're going to dance and you got a country, we know Black Cat have only a dub. So, but the boss have money. When me I say the boss thing load up. So when the boss thing load up, we have a dub them, but we not go run in and play the whole pa dub. Because good selectors run in and let's play a bag of dubs and them thing there. Yeah. You have to pre the thing. So we have pre the thing, so when them feel them start run up your mouth and one bag of thing and we end up mash it up. You know the thing go. So the Saturday, we reach England.
So in throughout the whole thing, so the lady still forward through.
Yeah, man.
I'm bringing forward that England. So you reach England, what year that now?
We reached England 96.
96.
Yeah.
So forwarding after reach at England now, fresh in our place. What was the first thing you do?
What? The first thing?
Yeah.
I went to Sweden. I went to Paris. I go Switzerland. Yeah. Then I come back in England. You understand?
Yeah. So you go up on a little mini tour.
Mini tour. Because we was with the artists. We was on a tour anyway. That's the reason why we came on a tour.
Okay.
You understand?
And the tour, so you reach back at England and decide to say, alright, you know what? I just saw it there. Why you stopping at England? Because you went to France. You went to, as you say, we went to Sweden. You could have stopped anywhere else.
And you know, say, well, I don't forget the truth. You know, so the lady, Junior Star, bring me over here. She said to me, my son, where you stop yourself at? You don't have to stop yourself. Where I go minute, because the woman did love me and rate me. Big up Junior Star again. The woman did want to carry my places so much. But you know what Jamaican say, when you're young and you come a foreign for the first time, you say, yo, I'm a first artist. And
you nah miss it.
Nah, bet my first chance go away. You do that one day. I go to the ropes and say, Mama, and she said, nah, man. And you know what? I end up staying over here. And the last time I saw that lady, yeah. Can I tell you this? The last time I saw that lady, she and the mayor of London have the same office in Brixton, Coalharbor Lane. That's the last time I went to her office. And when I go in her office, I see the mayor, and I said to her, I said, what you and the mayor doing in the same office? And she's like, oh, come on, my son, man. Now I'm here, man. She's that type of lady. You get me?
She's well connected.
Yeah, one of them people.
So, Bombshell Turbulance now reached England 96 and decided you reside now in England. How did you get yourself into the UK dancehall scene?
Yeah, so when I came now, I joined with a sound called Lord Gillis.
Yeah.
Yes, because I was playing a sound named Sweet 16, and then Father Gelly hear about me and decided to say, yo, we want that you tap on them sound, so I go to Rubes. And go to Father Gelly call me and say, them time we used to go to Walmart Castle, that's Peckham, in Walmart Castle.
Yeah.
You know, enough people know Peckham. In London, it's Peckham, yeah?
Yeah.
Over the south side. So we go so and carry me down there and, you know, we listen to the sound, and once you're a musician and you have music in your brain and you're born with music, it's not hard for you to take on to things. So you know, I take on to it and radio this and that, and I did it, and every Friday we start parties. So till I became one of like the main selector them on the sound. There was Andrew Fresh, there was Crazy Rick, there was Black Finger, there was Mikey G, there was Glamour G, there was Jazzy, there was I forget now, Crazy Rick.
Yeah, you say Crazy Rick already.
I say Crazy Rick already. I say it 3 times. Crazy Rick. There was Crazy Rick. So I joined the sound, and when I joined the sound, the sound start move on a different level. Like we really take over the whole sound. Yeah, because
start them time we never read the England, but as I said with the Jamaica, when I hear about England sound, I used to hear about Lord Geddes for sure. As Lord Geddes and
King
Tubbies and them sound there, usually hear a lot when they come on to the people mention anything about UK dancehall scene. So obviously you were in that realms, one of the man them where help push the levels on the side there. So you join Lord Geddes sound, and when did you first start get your first set of recognition? Like people say, alright, you arrive now, reach, you know.
No, I tell you what. You know, say from a region far me get recognition, and from a giant Lord Gelly sound, me get even more recognition. And a real, I'm not gonna lie to you, because Lord Gelly is one of the foundation sound in South London. Yeah, Lord Gelly is like a Coxsone, or a Saxon. You know them foundation sound there?
Yeah.
The Lord Gelly is one of the foundation sound. Many of the DJs nowadays that you see in the UK playing music bust off a Lord Gelly sound. We're playing on Lord Gelly sound. Because you know, before you never have no only sound system I play now. I just recently have a backup of a sound now I play.
Yeah.
People used to play upon like one sound in the UK, like one sound string up. Everybody come play upon that. Because we used to have a thing called Chicago's More Fire.
Yeah.
That's in Peckham, like near Rye Lane. We have the Sunday night, More Fire every Sunday. And then we used to have Meantime Lounge. That's when you go to Greenwich, Blackwall Tunnel coming from Hackney, and go to Greenwich, and it's on your left hand side. So we Lord Gillis used to have a lot of spots where a lot of sounds never used to have, and they had the DJs them to work with the music. You understand me I say?
Yeah, definitely. So obviously you have a lot of history, lot of people, you have a lot of people, but you have a lot of good times in the music. Obviously, you had been on the top. You are still on the top right now in my view, but you also had some bad times.
Yeah.
Well, obviously we have to say it because it's a public platform we are, and people obviously send us questions to ask you.
Yeah.
Say, because one of the common view that people have is that you're your own destruction, to so to speak.
Okay.
And in terms of, I wouldn't say that, because I've seen you at your best, and the one thing I always like with you always try to help the next person.
Yeah.
And
definitely.
Because even when me just forward to England, you give me a little highlight and care with you and say, yo, I got one party forward, them little vibes there, which is most genuine now. Then time there, which we don't really get now as much. I'm gonna really see nobody I bring through no younger selector. So what would you say for yourself, for people who look at you in that light, who thinks that Bombshell just like to drink a lot and behave badly? How would you what would you say to that person?
Reality I thought is
With what?
Because I once studio with a while ago, and we did a reason, and him say, yo, is that interview me I go for no? You want forward?
Yeah, I was gonna forward to you, but it look so ironic. Why I just have you here. I'm gonna really get you in the conversation, but the reason why I do it, because obviously Bombshell have so much history, so we kind of the one just try more and then neatly bring you forward through. But as I say, whether you and you can share the same sentiment where me see as another DJ to the next DJ.
Yeah, man. Just stick a one pin a while ago, you know.
Simple, makes sense. But Bombshell, question to you now: what would you say to critics about Bombshell in that regard?
You know, I'm gonna say something to critics now. Yeah, a lot of people see in our life, but them don't know what you're going through.
Yeah.
You can see a person every day. You can see them smiling face. You can see them serious face. But a lot of people don't understand what's inside and where you go through. Now, imagine a man there foreign for over, just because I stay.
Yeah.
For over 20 years, where you know see parents, father dead, brother dead. Be a kind of thing. You understand me? I did it.
Yeah.
But I'm not going to put it on that level there where me I going to say, me I going to use an excuse because of that, because of what they're saying. But, Rick, me I going to tell you the honest truth. The hunger time some people see me is in a party. They've never seen me day to day yet to have a conversation with me. So most of the people who are saying that and who are talking that is from where them hear, but them never have actual proof.
Yeah.
Because you as a human being, anybody else will see me in the streets day to day, when them must speak them things, them know that if you talk to this brother, yeah.
No, but me can answer this way from my point of view. Because me see Bombshell Turbulance when the music now play and that's the one-on-one. It's a different person from the person what they describe when you're under the influence.
Yeah.
And to me, I sometimes share some of the similar views that people say, because when you get that way, you turn into a different person where, and I'm trying to figure out that something is not right and something is not adding up, because maybe me to myself, I think say something is a form of venting or something not right on the other side why this happened here, because it only happen in a certain environment. And I realize I'm wondering if it's the environment is contributing to the reaction or the behavior, or is underlying family matters or And you just said something just a while ago where kind of answer the question in a sense. Because obviously you said that you've been here for so long and things happen where you can't control because of your situation. It's gonna play on the best a person is gonna play on your mind.
Definitely.
So in that regards, I can understand that. And hopefully if somebody going forward seeing this interview can relate to the state of mind and what's happening on a personal level to Bombshell Turbulence. Because sometimes people judge you because of hearsay as well too. So people say things and people just run with what they hear, not genuinely knowing you as a person. Because for persons watching this now and who never heard anything about Bombshell, what would you like to tell people about you? How to accept you? How you are as a person?
Well, to the world, Ewa, me as a person, happy. Don't watch whatever you hear people say. Because people are gonna always talk. Because when you do good, people are gonna always talk. And you always are gonna have that. Worse when certain people are in life, people know you have that talent and they want to try to keep down that talent. Some people will spread any rumors and make it look bad. Cause can I just say this? Let me say this to you, my brother, yeah? You see the same rumor where them attack and them a spread. I don't mind about that, Because nowadays, I go in a party and see people drop down on stage, vomit, sick up, one bag of thing. We're talking about the drinking, right?
Yeah.
And I've never heard them name call. I see people walk down the road and buck them too. And I've never heard them name call. But make Bombshell walk down the road and buck him too.
I mean, you know why? Let me tell you exactly why. The reason why I think some of the people say our class more is because they're feeling a bit disappointed. Because let me tell you this, a lot of people hold you in high regards. A lot of people had you as the selector. And when they see certain things happen, they feel like, oh, it's like your idol let you down. It's like your big superstar. You hear say him have like child molested charge. You feel let down. That's what me kind of think or people might have feel.
All right. You think that, yeah? So why don't the person that's thinking that come across and says, yo, brother, sister, warm to you? It is instead of stay from the outside looking in and criticizing. Why don't they come across and say, yo, brother, you're alright, you're good, or something that instead of take what people tell them and looking from the outside and criticize? Me not say I don't do it, because I can put up my hands and do it. And me a youth will say, get us and me did it,
yeah.
I talk it straight. But 2020 is a total different thing. You understand me I say? Yeah. 2020 is a total different thing.
What's going to be new?
What's going to be new is that is a new Bombshell. It's a powerful Bombshell. Definitely.
What can we expect?
No, well, you can expect a lot of things. I'm doing producing right now.
Yeah.
I'm promoting some artists. Sekuko Asha, one of the youngest youth them from the Ash Crew right now on the label, the Triple Star label.
Yeah.
And we have a whole host more artists. We have Chorus. We have whole heap of young artists right now trying to produce the 27th of this month. We have a thing called Talent and Music at Broad Lane.
Yeah.
Broad Lane Tottenham. You know them keep the whole something there so.
Yeah. And I'm sorry I took so long to bring the artist in, but this is the perfect opportunity now to drop him into the conversation. And just remind me your name again.
Yeah, man. Go by the name Coco Ash, is it?
And you're a dancer recording artist.
Yeah, man.
And how long have you been doing it?
Good well know me write and mid song still, isn't it?
So haven't you been in the studio? Is it you just start recording now, or is it you just free? Have you haven't done any recording yet?
Yeah, man. Well for recording.
You have songs out there already?
Well, I don't have no song out there, but we have a couple songs we used to rotate on Mystic Radio Station.
Okay, so you've been doing that quite a while now?
Yeah, man. Quite a while now still.
Okay, and so what are you working on? Are you working on any projects right now?
Well, yeah. By 2020, I look for push out a little EP, so that way I pray at the moment still.
Okay, so it seems like everything is this big 2020. Everybody had this 2020 vision.
That I go on, man.
Okay, and so you're working with Bombshell. Is a producer for one of your tracks or what? How is it? How is the connection?
Well, I don't know the general a part of the ship.
Yeah.
So you don't know where I sail, so yeah.
Goods meds. And
Yeah.
your future is to bring out EP for 2020, right? Do you have any title name for it, or are you just searching right now?
Yeah, we don't really have a title name yet still, but we have a few in mind still, but
A few in mind.
yeah, but we not really say at the moment, cause we don't really.
Okay.
You see me?
And then, so can we just find some socials for you? So in case we forget to ask them, what's your social media angle? What's your name on social media?
Yeah, man. I go by the name of Kuku Ash on Instagram.
How you spell that?
That's KUCKOOHA.
Yeah.
Well, double ASH for the hash.
But you have to know, brother, because
Is
you.
it? Alright, let me say it again.
Yes.
KUCKOO. That's a Kuku.
Yeah.
No space, nothing. Then I have the H.
Yep.
Then I have double ASH. Then that ENT. You get me?
Okay, so people that's listening right now and don't know anything
Is
about
it?
Kuku, can you just give me a little 10 seconds freestyle or something, just a little acapella thing?
Yeah, man. Why not?
Ready up. 10 seconds. The people, this is Kuku Ash, first time you're the UpNLive show live. Let's
You
go.
see me? Yeah, man. Hey, from we little and I grow. This is one thing when me know. Said my mommy always tell me, stay on your foot, heels and toe. She tell me no keep friend, cause them a foe. And me gravitate fast, me never learn slow. Me can't pay back what you do for me, so me never a go talk what me do for you. Because mama, you know me love you. Love you even when we have problems.
You see that now?
You know my respect though. Hey mama, you know me.
Alright, wait for the album. People that ask Kuku Ash, and give thanks for forwarding you. And when you have anything ready, materials up and running,
Yeah,
we're
man.
gonna bring you back and we'll have a proper sit down and we just run through things over and do a proper interview. Alright?
Yeah, man, most definitely, man. Respect for that, man, isn't it?
Of course, blessings
Yeah,
and
man.
manners.
Yeah,
Bombshell Turbulance. Also, you got something else coming for the 2019. We know we see some little things going around. You want to talk about the party that's coming up, or you don't want to tell people about the party?
You know what? Can I give away some tickets? Like, yeah.
Yeah, but
No.
but the tickets, them you can give away tickets, but
Yeah.
I think we can do it with the tickets on the Instagram feed.
Yeah, man. Whatever thing you wanna do, are you a show in a Rick?
Yeah.
Remember, you know?
So
I'm
we-
just a guest.
So when is the party?
The 30th of November.
30th
this
of
month.
November. I know the day, but I just wanted you to say so people
The
can hear.
30th of this month, right? And
Yep.
it's gonna be in Ilford.
In
at
Ilford.
At a luxurious club in Ilford, yeah.
Okay, so people, make sure you get the tickets, and we are going to be giving away maybe a ticket or two on the Instagram feed. So if you're on our socials, make sure you see it locked. We're gonna put out some little fun thing for the week. By the end of the week, you get the tickets them, alright? Bombshell, make sure you give with the tickets them. So
So man, I can't get the ticket number to them, can call me.
yeah, you're gonna be giving out your ticket number.
No, but think, make sure you have to keep it professional, you know.
Yeah.
You know you have to keep it professional at all times.
Of course.
Alright, so if you like to purchase your ticket and your packages
Yes.
for movie script or the 30th, this is the number you'd like to dial. 07960 969 704. Alright?
That's the radio voice.
Yeah.
And also talk to me about your radio, because I know you're on the radio as well. Your
No,
first
you
show.
know, say Rick, I'm not gonna lie to you now. I'm on the radio, yes. It's
Yeah.
I'm on It's radio. Yeah, it's cause you know I have to big up Rufus.
Yeah, you can say.
Yeah, man,
you
and
know,
big up
Rufus every time.
the one of the young general them, big up Screechy, big up Sparks, big up all the young general them we do them thing. I'm proud of the youth them we do them things, so me not lie, you know, me like for to the young general them rise up and you know, I take the thing to a different level and take it serious.
Yeah.
You understand me? I did it. Yeah, it's a motivation to me right now as a
I heard
teacher.
that. Yeah, a teacher, Bombshell. Of
We
course.
bring them into the business and say, yo, see the road there. You see me? I say, so, we know the thing, alright. But you know, me have a little one song
Yeah.
where,
You are sing?
Me have one song when we really want to premiere upon the show. You still you know.
Of course. Should we give you a beat free time? You don't want the acapella, or you still?
I wonder if you can find, because Rick, remember say you did it from Real Vibes, you know.
Yeah.
Remember say DJ Rick, you can find that rhythm there with C Black. We come to the morning every time you bust a yarn.
I have it in the butt. I have it. You know the thing upgrade from a long time there. Different
Alright.
material.
Okay.
But
So we have to give them a cappella then.
give me a look at acapella, Mr. Wagwan.
Alright. People, this is a song called Life is Hard. And that song, yeah, I wanted to song them where the people that we are going to struggle enough for them thing there, you know? More time, you have the drivenity for make it. But you know, you have some people who always want to see you stay back of the line. They want to give you the bottom of the barrel. You know? And the wickedest thing, the next thing, you know, some people where you trust, put your real trust in her. Yeah. Big up everybody. That song your name Life is Hard, see?
I tell you what,
Renee Palmer, and you are now locked in with the Dream Team DJs doing things, you know.
I think you should give us acapella now.
Acapella.
Go acapella.
Alright, here it go. Living in the ghetto's a survival journey. Can somebody please tell me who's my enemy? Some people who you trust, them don't have no loyalty. Some raise me hands unto the Almighty. But if you want to know your friend, pretend like you dead and see how much remarks them pass over your head. Enough of them wants the bloodshed. Life is hard. Life is so hard. Life is hard. Whether you live a yard or abroad, life is hard. Life is so hard. Life is hard. Me tell mama say, fi stop ball. Listen. Why worry when you can pray? And every day up.
So we got 1 more minute left, right? Just restart on it. Got me know a bombshell now. What we're gonna do for the last 2 minutes? Artists want to jump into bombshell started. Let's go.
Living in the ghetto's a survival journey. Can somebody please tell me who's my enemy? Some people who you trust don't have no loyalty. And some may raise me hands unto the Almighty.
Okay, artists jump in. 30
Say the
seconds.
amount of things them chatty fruits did a gunshot, you know. Say me woulda dead already. Say the amount of things them sat and sit down and lap crack if mouth a gun me woulda dead already. Hey, our Father God guide me track, every step on the map, so tell me say that me not ready. Say the amount of things them chatty fruits did a gunshot, you know. Say me woulda dead already.
And I wanna say, gentle people, it's a pleasure. Bombshell, you know, we need to continue further on and next time, because there's a lot of things that I still didn't get to really mention it to you, and I really wanted to get into some deeper meds, because
Yeah.
the time is against us. I mean, I look on it at the time, but I have to ask a question. I mean, know producer probably look on me and say cut right now, but this question is very important. This is more important than anything. At one point in musical career, there was a rift between you. I know it's not anything personal between you and Gangsta Kid. So people used to say you bother, Gangsta Kid bother, but we ask you the question: who are the bother one?
You ask me who's the better one. Well, let me tell you this now. There's no better one. There's one who can create more style.
So who you think have the more style?
You know, a Bombshell Turbulance, a one champion, powerful, powerful, you know the thing go. Serious.
So you feel like you have the more style than Gangsta Kid? Because the reason why I say it, because from Art Love days, it's been going back and forth. Say, who are the better one? And the clash did for go on. Because that clash did for go on for years now, no?
No, definitely, and them keep on avoiding it. I don't know why, but that clash has been avoiding for years now, and I do not know why the clash has been avoiding.
So you would, me I gotta ask you, why the clash avoid?
I don't know, I think you'd have to get the next component and ask them that question, but because I'm ready.
Yeah. Rasta, give me a camera and me ask a question, because we need to ask a question. This question goes out straight to Gangsta Kid. This clippings here is the Bombshell Turbulence interview.
Yes.
And we're asking you, why hasn't the clash gone on between you and Bombshell Turbulence? Some people saying that you are scared, or is it Bombshell, or is it you that's scared, or
No,
who's scared?
no. Alright, I'm gonna tell you something. You see, in a sound clash business, some you have to win, some you have to lose.
Yeah.
You know, you have some selectors feel like if they lose a clash, that mean them feel like them career or them stardom are gonna drop. So them don't want to get on it. It's like Shensia and what the girl name?
Jada Kingdom.
And Jada Kingdom. She don't want to answer Jada.
Yeah.
Because she feel like Jada gonna get the eye about Spice bring her in. So you see the thing?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I want of them up there. So you do what the thing go. So that's why I feel like the clash didn't come about all no. Because I'm ready. It's just music. Listen to me. You cannot take music personal. Once you take music personal, please go and find another job. Because it's not your job. And it wasn't your job. You understand that, you did?
Yeah.
So if it's a competition thing, it's okay. I'm ready.
Good. Alright, so we get it there for people. Make sure we get a look of follow-up. Gangsta Kid, I'll be looking for the follow-up from you. Alright? So people, if you've been watching, thank you very much for watching the show. This is the UpNLive show. It's brought to you all courtesy of World Mag Entertainment. The show is sponsored by Shush Print, by Vast Print, and we are produced by World Mag Entertainment. We are live here each and every Tuesday on TGM Radio. On behalf of myself, DJ Rick, Fire Q, Dragon Star, the Little Brown Rasta, we are the UpNLive show. Keep it locked this way, TGM Radio.
It's your girl Renee Palmer, and you are now locked in with the Dream Team DJs doing things, you know.
Dream Team, steady with the matic. Adi up top boss. Some say Dream Team. Up top.
For the moment you're feeling right, yeah. The moods and the tides are high, yeah. Say you never knew it, say you never knew it till a Rasta man come in your life. For the moment you're feeling right, the moments and tides are high, yeah. Say you never knew it, say you never knew it till Norris man come in your life. I pay no dues.